easy steps of transaction for DCC Void on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button again to enter User menu. Step 4. Scroll up and down to select Void on the terminal. Now press green button. Step 5. Enter the amount in INR and press green button. Step 6. Enter transaction ID and press green button. Step 7. Charge slip of the Void DCC transaction prints. Please feel free to contact us. Helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.